Wintertime at my favorite mountain lake. Last time I was here, it was 55 degrees. Today it's snowing and absolutely beautiful. And I'm blazing the first trail, besides maybe a few geese and I'm not sure what else, deer track. But thanks for joining me. And I got a couple rod setups with me. I got my 5-weight with the turd and the worm, which I think probably would work pretty well. It is a great winter fly. And then I got my 6-weight sinking line with a yellow yummy and the fly that I tied, my first fly. So I'm gonna see if that catches a fish. So let's get to our spot and do a little fishing. Let's do this, fish on. I'm gonna start off with that yummy yellow that we talked about, and the fly that I tied, my first gurgler pattern. Throw it off the edge here. Using a full sink line. Feel like I need to get down there during the winter months. Let it sink a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Fish on. Man, just slowed it down a little bit. That was the ticket. So you can see I'm no longer alone anymore. Oh my God, it's the first fish on my fly. First fish on my fly. Fly that I tied. Here it is. In the net. Sweet. I just tied that the other day. How cool is that? Let's see if I can get it out. Trying not to get my hands wet. Look at that. That is the fly I tied, and that is the first fish. Nice. You're right. There is something satisfying about tying a fly and then catching a fish on the fly that you tied. Fishy fly. Pretty cool. And I'll always have that in kind of the video archives. So, first fly I've ever tied, and I caught a fish with that fly. Pretty cool. There we go. There's another one. Do a big strip set. Nice. Could I catch my second fish on my fly? Yes, I did. This is the second fish on my fly. It just goes to show you, you don't need to be a world-renowned fly tyer. You could be a complete hack and still catch fish on flies that you tied. How cool is that? Literally no lessons. I just went out and started tying. And that fly right there has caught its second fish. Sweet. So you might be asking yourself, well, you're catching fish on the gurgler. Why not just take off the yummy yellow and use the gurgler by itself? So I do have a theory, and I'm sure some of you probably have the same theory. I believe that at times that front fly acts as a stimulator. That yummy yellow could be getting the fish's attention, and then instead of eating it, they eat the gurgler instead. So a lot of times, even though I'm catching fish just on that back fly, I'm leaving well enough alone. That setup's working, and I'm gonna do the double setup even if I caught fish all day long just on the gurgler, because I have done that before, right? Or I've taken that lead fly off and all of a sudden, no more fish. So I do believe that a lot of times it acts as an attractor, gets the fish's attention, and then it eats the other fly. So that's just kind of my theory and what I do when I'm fishing two flies. Oh, yeah, that was a big old smash. I love that. Man. Oh, and he ate my fly. Sweet. It's so great. I'm not even touching the yummy yellow right now. They're so happy about my gurgler fly. I love that. Sweet. Okay. Zoom. Well, this was exactly what I needed. I don't know if any of you can relate, but sometimes you just need to get out there and fish. I caught a few fish. Super happy about that. And if you want to learn a little bit more about the techniques I use in different seasons, check out this video right here. I also put together a club, which will give you a lot of great assets to help you catch more fish the next time you're out there fly fishing. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.